twabuza gye muli abakansala newankubadde constitution yaffe wakakiiko ka Parliamentary Court obuyinza obulonda flag bearers naye twatula ne tugamba akakiiko ako kenyini eka transferring obuyinza ekabwa abakansala okulonda. I really want to beg you era nabo bakansala muli bwesimbaga independent abatalina ki natugamba kubanga bagezaako twawulawulamu era njagala kufuna commitment eyo okuva eri bakandidate. Ndaba abamu bali wano bonna balaba balayo mutuwe commitment eyo abamugenda wano ne musayininga commitment letter ate notuuka eri ogwenga agendeza commitment letter. So with those few words, may I now invite our president to speak to us briefly. Thank you.
People power is our power. People power is our power.
People power, our power. NUP
Everywhere.
and everywhere.
NUP.
Bana mtiame. Very good morning to you, comrades. Sanyuse nnyo okubasinkana era njagala congratulating mwena candidate olw'okubeera n'obuvumu obwo okwesimbawo. I want to be very brief, comrades. Badde siri waaku badressinga ngera secretary general bwakikiridde bulungi n'agamba buno buvunanyizibwa bwammwe obutukiikirira awo. I'm sure by the time you made it to the positions that you have, mwali muyize ekimala mumanyi ekitu representing nga people power, mumanyi ekitu representing nga national unity platform. Mugenda mukulonda kuno mikwano gyange njagala just kusitinga ebivudde emabega ebbanga eggwanvu n'ennaku entono oba wiiki entono eziyise. Mugenda kulonda. I am aware I hate to identify myself as a politician, and I hate to see any of my comrades in the national unity platform identifying him or herself or actually behaving like a usual politician. Ensonga lwaki abantu batwesiga nti twepresentinga ng'ab'enjawulo oba kubanga twabagamba nti tuli banjawulo. Buli lunaku olukyatubeera tasked okulaga enjawulo eyo gye tuli. I've noticed nti ebifo bikyusa nnyo abantu mu mbeera naye tuli tasked kuba amaaso g'abantu gatuliko ate n'amaaso g'abakulembeze bannaffe. That is just one level of leadership. You are going up. Don't soil your journey to going up. So mugenda okulonda aba councillors, mugenda okulonda aba speakers mikwano gyange. One thing kyenjagala okubagamba nti tubadde tuvumiriranga corruption. Pero nze nakola eddoboozi. Yeah. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Yeah, reduce a little bit, Bridget. Yeah, baganda bange, on a very serious note, tubadde tuvumiriranga corruption. Nga tuvumiriranga sente okuwanyisiganya emikono. Twakampeininganga mu maaso g'abantu. Era ne tuba convincinga ne batu embracinga abalonzi in fact be batuwanga sente. Nkakasa sipe twabawanga sente. Siwe tuli bannange. Batumanyi ffe ng'aba people power, ffe ng'aba NUP tetugulirira wabula obweyamo n'obwesige bwe tulaga abantu kyekyatulondesa kubanga tuli ba servant leaders. Tetugulirira n'omulundi n'ogumu. But I must tell you nti I've been getting information very disappointedly nti ne muffe mwennyini sente ziwanyisiganya emikono. Ekyo kyanaku nnyo kiswaza nnyo oyo aguliridde naye ate kiswaza nnyo oyo gubaguliridde. Nkiddamu okugulirira omuzungu kyayita corruption kiswaza nnyo oyo aguliridde naye ate kiweebuula nnyo oyo gwe baguliridde kubanga kiba kiraga ekifaananyi kyo gwe ng'omuntu. I am aware sente somehow mukasirise ziwanyisiganya emikono. Mikwano gyange njagala okubatasikinga kuba at the end of the day mwe mugenda okulonda represent us. Omuntu akuguliridde kitegeeza ebintu bingi nnyo naye number 1 ku kitegeeza oyo muntu tali competent abadde alina okuwa ssente mumpulira mikwano gyange. So right now you are on a task. Zenga bagamba mikwano gyange tinammwe muli bakyagulanyi. So the challenge is on you to do the right thing, friends. The challenge is on you to do the right thing. Fe twabesiga ng'abantu ba bulijjo. Abantu ba bulijjo babesiga. Kakati okusomozebwa kuli erimwe essaawa zino okukola ekintu ekituufu. Manyi bulungi nnyo nti mwenna mumanyi ekituufu. Ngera bwe nkigamba bulijjo abantu Museveni bagulirira asinga kugulirira abo abamanyi ekituufu. Ensonga lwaki abantu nga Bakyagulanyi, abantu nga ba Etwe, abantu nga Banobianiri barayizinga abantu ba bulijjo kubanga abo betuyita ba elite bo bali paid to be fools. Kubanga bo bongo bwabwe bwali busobola okulirirwa. Now here we are representing the common person. Nti ebizibu bye tugenda muwa ssente okubisangulawo. Era amazima ago tebagenda kuwa ssente kugajjawo. Lwaki njogedde nnyo ku ssente? Kubanga ssente bwezirwabi nga nozifuula useless, then mujja kusobola okulaba n'amaaso gammwe nga gali clear. So njagala okubaagaliza okulonda okulungi. Njagala okubasaba mutunulire values ezo zetuyimirirako. Mutunulire obuweereza, mutunulire obusobozi, mutunulire ekituufu, mutunulire omuntu mumwe kuba nze ndi convinced nti mwenna 100% buli wa NUP ayimirira ku ezo values. At least amaaso gaffe kyegalaba. Mpozi ye ekyaba atulaze nenneeyisaaye nga bwe tujja tubagamba bannange ti buli omu mugenda mulabira ku ki. So n'obugambo bwe mikwano gyange njagala okubayozaayiza okwesimbawo, njagala okubaagaliza obuwanguzi kuba ffenna tuli family, tulinga baana, buli omu kumwe akwalifayinga, buli yeesimbyewo akwalifayinga. Mulinga baana abaagala obuvunaanyizibwa mu family. Bwe munaaba mulonze twagala okukkiriza nti yanaabeera omutuufu, gwe munaaba mwesize naffe gwe tugenda okwesiga. Kyemusalawo wano mukiyimireko mwenna mukigoberere all the way. N'obugambo bwe mikwano gyange njagala okubaagaliza okulonda okulungi. Omukama abalungamye abeere mu bwongo bwammwe naddala ku ssaawa eri esinga okubeera important nga mulonda. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala, Mukama abampeera omukisa.
Thank you very much, our President. DJ ogenda kendezaako katono. Now, Chairperson is going to give us her remarks. Then we shall proceed with the candidates. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning once more. People power. People power. I think everything has been said by our President and the Secretary General. We are going to be brief to take you through this process so that at the end of it we get our leaders, the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker. And by the names, welcome Mamase, Chairperson, Election Management Committee. These are all commissioners, the one I work with. The first one is Commissioner Tone, Commissioner Maiso, Commissioner Kayabula, Commissioner Alex. These people have been doing a great job ever since we started last week of getting speakers in different divisions and deputy speakers. So I'm going to take you through the rules and regulations we are going to follow. Each candidate is going to be given like 5 minutes to talk to the councillors. And then after that, you are going to sign this consent form. This consent form is as follows. Let me put my name, like I, Master Walkwamba, being and a councillor of the National Unity Platform, and having expressed interest running for Speaker and Deputy Speaker for ... Do acknowledge that the electoral process is defined, clear, and transparent. I stand by the outcome of this electoral process and commit myself not to run as independent. You hear that word? Yes. Not to run as independent. Let me tell you, honorable councillors, these people you see, we've been telling these people that when you don't go through, don't come as independent. Abantu bonna abazze ne bagenda ku independent bagudde. It's as if this committee has juju. Because when we tell you that don't come as independent and you force yourself, I'm telling you, you'll not go through. So I'm just appealing to you, support the people we are going to elect, the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker. The process is going to be by separate ballots, and it's going to be transparent. We require discipline in this process. One, on the ballot paper, we don't expect any initials. We don't expect for it to write either 1 or 2. It will be invalid. Write the full names of that person. If I'm Mase Warukamba, write Mase Warukamba. Don't put here anything like 1 or any initial. It will be invalid. Otherwise, I'm appealing to you, those people who go on independent, we have a disciplinary committee as an UP. We shall summon you for that. Otherwise, I wish you the best in this process. Try to be brief and try to convince the voters so that we get the best speaker of KCC and deputy speaker. I wish you the best and success.
Judgment to the bandit to kill our people. Why do you think you're fast and last to abuse rights? Nothing to fear but fear itself. Alright, wali moyo kanda ya fe, atusanga twe ya kalira kunone bajja, ibatusala, kanyana makato kawe.
DJ, the process that we are yet to undertake, the process je tutwalamu egenda kuba nyangu ate ngeri simple ngeri transparent. Tusaba abali eno tubenga tugenda kuwolodde abagenda okubanga address. Tuwenye chance ba candidates, ba voters of taking a decision okusinziira ku bigambo abagenda okwogera n'abaganda. Kyenjagala okunfaaminga olw'okwongerako ku chairperson kyagambye. Wamala signing a consent form, you as an aspirant or the candidate, you sign, but the witness signs on that same consent form. Kubanga yagenda okuwudawuda munaita wesingawo, yagenda okugamba nti kibasayinze kiri kikugaana okweyo, so atuleko naye omukono okusobola okuzza embeera. So as a candidate you sign, and then your witness. We envisage tusaba oyo yakwendoosinga wali otukomesawo form yaba witnessing up to now. Tulabe abo bakyuka nga wasindika candidate but in the process n'okyuka ate ye ng'akyali mu race. We envisage. Thank you. Allow us to manage the process. Thank you very much. The process is double. By candidate, beginning with the speaker, bagenda presenting. It is 3 minutes, maximum 3 minutes. Tubukendezeza parties of 1 Sam 9. 3 minutes. Timekeeper is going to be our commissioner by the names of Mr. Abikumbi Jajaton. 3 minutes. Be audible. Be brief. You are brief. You are just doing a summary. You are doing a summary of everything that you have been telling these people. So we are beginning with Honorable Lord Councillor Mr. Tegusulwa Innocent. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you, everybody. Today I was coming here. I called my daughter, Tatiana. Pray for me. She did pray for me. And again, she asked me, my dad, what's different today? told her, there's a new story coming in Kampala. There's change. But still, she told me a story about Albert Einstein, a great professor that taught in different universities. One day, he gave a test twice. That test was given the other year, previous year, and again the next year. The assistant noticed that the test was the same. She wanted to know why the professor, great man, always gives the same test. The answer is today. This is what he said. He said it is the same test, but different answer. The problems of Kampala are the same. We've been voting people from the opposition. We've been voting Lord Councillors from oppositions, Councillors from oppositions, Lord Mayors, everybody. Things have not been changing. Why? Same problems, same solutions. Innocent Tegusura, before you, I stand here to seek for your mandate to be your Speaker, KCCA. My daughter also asked me, Dad, do you have money? I said, I don't have money, but I have integrity. A man of God, I've kept my name throughout 23 years back, and my name is intact. It's not my name, it's my father's name. It's our family's name. We've been keeping this name, and that's why I come here, one, to protect my name, because I have 4 children, all of them, their names are Tegusurwa. I can't buy them. It's the time to fight for their name, fight for my name, fight for the family's name, Innocent Tegusurwa, not to shame the belief I come from, not to shame my family, not to shame people from Kampala. That's it. I've gone to school. I did my PLE at Kasubi Family Primary School, Old Kampala for my O-level, then HSC Caltech Academy and Uganda Matats High School. I went to Makerere, I did a BCom, I did not complete it in the 3rd year, but however I went to Kuba University. I did a degree in mass communication. I also hold a diploma in law. I'm a 3rd year student at IU, so I know something about the law. But that's not important, the answer is not that. The answer is, the answer has changed in this morning, this morning. Our president has just told us the answer is different. In case you came to this room today, knowing a different answer, that's not the answer. The answer has changed. The answer, 2011, 2021 to 2026, the Speaker of Kampala is Innocent Tegusura. Thank you so much.
Because we are giving the office, or we are trying to look for a speaker that's going to be the timekeeper. Ultimately in the council, they must be good timekeepers. So it is strictly 3 minutes. Thank you very much. The next person to present to us is Honorable Lord Councillor, the candidate as of now, by the names of Zahara Luirika.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable members, I greet you all in the name of the Almighty. As I stand amidst you humbly and politely, ask for your support in my bid to fulfill my desired leadership to the celebrated August House of Kampala. Honorable members, my name is Zahara Mala Luirika. We have said it all. I won't say much. I won't say so many words, but you know what I'm capable of doing. Honorable members, I have a postgraduate diploma in public administration and management from Uganda Management Institute. I have a bachelor's degree in arts from Makerere University. Honorable members, I have served KCCA for the last 10 years. I was a councillor in 2011-2016, and we were the pioneer Lord Councillors in that act that you saw that was amended last year. Honorable members, I have been a technical staff in KCCA from the year 2017 to 2020. Until then, when I resigned that job to come and serve my people, because I saw my career calling me. Honorable members, I'm a people person. I don't know what to say, but Kampala is all about the basic knowledge you know about it. We have enemies in Kampala. We have so many intruders that want to sabotage our work. We have so many people that do not want to see us progress because Kampala chooses opposition all the time. Honorable members, I want us to task ourselves, as our president says always, that we stand by the truth. It's all about service delivery in Kampala. But what is NUP's agenda? What is the interest of the people of Kampala and Uganda at large? Think about the person who sacrificed himself to come and stand and contest with that bull, Museveni, who stole his victory. Just think about the people who voted for us and they were in for us. Tugamba tuli mu kintu mutubereremu, but people were there for us. Banange twebereremu. I know what we are going to do in Kampala, but I'm calling for teamwork and unity, love for all. In Kampala, we have to be a team. As councillors, we have to be a team because we have enemies that we do not know. We have invisible enemies and visible ones. We have government that doesn't want us to see that we progress and serve the people of Kampala. We have technical staffs who are cadres and we do not know what their intentions are. So we have to be a team and fight what they want. Honorable members, through the Electoral Management Committee and the leadership of NUP, I want to thank honorable councillors. You were all capable of becoming speakers and standing. I want to thank you for not standing because you wanted us to stay united. Thank you very much. I therefore ask for your support in my bid to become the Speaker of Kampala. Thank you so much.
As we had earlier said, everyone that submits and does not mention any withdrawal of his or her candidature confirms that he is still in the race. It is at that particular time that he must receive a consent form and then sign it. So the commissioner will be giving us those consent forms. We will read them, sign, and finally make our witness people sign also. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce and bring forward the next person to address us by the names of Honorable Jeremiah K. Wange. NUP! Everywhere!
NUP!
Distinguished colleagues, my dear Lord Councillors, members of the fraternity of soldiers, supporters, and the entire NUP. My name is Jeremiah K. Wange. I'm a lawyer by profession. I went to many schools. When we were growing up, we had to go to so many schools. So I went to so many schools, but I went to Makerere University, the bachelor's degree in law. I went to the Law Development Center and did postgraduate diploma in legal practice. And I'm now a master's student doing a master's in law. I am a councillor representing the people of Kasuri, that's Luwaga North 1. And a contestant for this position of Speaker to the Authority Council. I want to thank my colleagues, first of all, for the discipline exhibited in this journey. Some of us cannot stand a race without discipline. So I'm happy that there's been discipline. And I want to affirm and confirm to the party that we shall castrate any independent. That I agree with the principle that when we were won here, you simply go and support the winner. Because there is no better or best. We are all good and we can all serve the interests of the party. I have been with you, councillors, and I've told you what I can do for this party. This party has been granted a city to run as a test
on whether we can run a nation. We must stand, elect a speaker who will not bring this city to shame, who will not share the name of the principal, who trusted us and sent us as his team. And I want to ask the young people here who have been granted these offices for their first time, that you have a long future ahead and you have to stand with the people. The National Unity Platform that we belong to is a people's party, a common man's party. And we should at all times shine and walk in those principles of the common man. We all went through campaigning and we know the causes of the people. We have been asked to do certain things. We have been cautioned to stand with Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu at all times. And that's what I stand for. The issues that are pain to this city, of the pain of paying for garbage, the pain of the trenches and the drainage system, the pain of the law enforcement team that the principal sang in his song to Gambire to Jennifer, the law enforcement team that is so indisciplined and thinks that in enforcing laws they need to beat everybody. The problems of this city, those are the challenges we must address. We should not be made to think that we are going to eat and satisfy our bellies and run after money and forget that we have a population report too. Thank you so much. Jeremiah Kayamwanje, Speaker of Kibuga Kya Bobi.
Thank you very much. Thank you. The next person to present to us, to address us, is by the names of Honorable Lord Councillor Kizza Hakim.
People power, our power.
My name is Kizza Hakim Saula. Aspiring candidate, comrade members, honorable Lord Councillors, I request you to trust me in this position of the speakership of the city. Everyone who spoke before me talked about the challenges and problems of Kampala. I'm not going to repeat them, because even if you are awake, a child of 10 years will tell you the problems of Kampala. I just want to limit myself on the principles and the characters of a good speaker we need. First of all, we need a speaker who is going to listen, who is going to respect every person, whether a councillor, whether a common person, whether these foot soldiers, regardless of their tribe, regardless of their religion, regardless of their economic capacity, regardless of their education capacity. That is the nature of the speaker we need. I want to remind you, the struggle is still continuing. We need a speaker who is going to accelerate the struggle. You cannot talk about Kampala, a central command of the struggle, and you don't bring a person who can take that command. So I want to request you members, we have talked about our profiles. You know everyone, you know our capacities. You know my capacity as a commander, you know I can command. We need, many people talk about laws and whatever. I want to give you an example of 2011, 2016. You remember what happened when the road mayor was impeached. The Honorable Council Abdullah Chiwanuka secured a court injunction to stop the council, which was held by Minister Frank Atumwebazi, to impeach the road mayor. But when he brought the court injunction, he was arrested from the gate, the suit was torn, even the document was torn, the court injunction. So sometimes we need law, but we need a speaker who can provide an alternative where the law fails. That is the Honorable Kizza Hakim Saula. So that is the issue, that is the principle. Of course, every one of us prefers to be a speaker, but we cannot be all speakers. We have to select one person
Honorable members, I request you to trust me. I'm not going to betray the struggle. You have seen me. I have participated. I have been everywhere. Thank you very much. My name is Chiza Hakimu. So. Thank you very much. Honorable Hakimu Chiza. Finally, the last person to address us is Mr. Sewoku John Mary. People power. People power. People power. Maria, young Flavet, and your team. Dear honorable members, the commissioners, dear honorable councillors, colleagues, comrades in the struggle, fellow contestants, this is the time to take a decision for this country. The Speaker of Kampala is not an ordinary person. The Speaker of Kampala is not an ordinary leader. The Speaker of Kampala must be a leader in the national unity platform for the cause and the values that we cherish. But before I proceed, let these young colleagues, the younger NUP guys, say hi to you in those 3 minutes.
Hello, good morning. My name is Kasaka John Mary Javia. My son, John Mary Serufu, is contesting for the speakership of KCCA. So, I'm a footballer, so I know my father can play for you, and he can score for you as I do. So please vote him.
Good morning. My name is Nursery Sister Alexandria. The second vote to Mr. Sewoku John Mary. He has been a father to us. He is. The way he can father us and are good looking, he can do the same for that person. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You can skip around. John Mary Serufu is my name. I represent Kianja Parish, Chiwadre Parish, and Bukutu Parish. I'm a graduate of Makerere University of the Bachelor of Science. Makerere. I'm a graduate with a Master of Business Administration MBA from Makerere University. I went to LDC. I have a certificate in administrative law. I'm going to take decisions mindful of the legal implications here, colleagues. I have been at it. Comrades, honorable councillors, I'm calling for sobriety, for impartiality, for proper leadership in this party. It's a younger party, we must not it. I have been at it. I was in Chadondo. I was an assistant head of the secretariat when one of the Chaplain said I was becoming a member of parliament to Chadondo East. I have been in Yarua, Arua 33. I'm still on Tuesday. What is needed here in Kampala Second, somebody who can manage the technical team, headed by those people who call themselves masters leaders. I can technically call a management consultant. I can technically handle the executive director and her team and say that our party, our leadership, our comrades, our commanders can benefit. Finally, Gamaliza, come on, we are with due respect. Dear colleagues, the Lord Mayor of Kampala is calling on Yasu. This is extremely important because it determines where we are going. When you were there when you were swearing in, you heard what he said. We need somebody who can manage, who can handle, who can administer. What is in the KCC that is lacking is management, nothing else. And trust me with a bet, you will vote. I'm much humbled. I know you know what I have told you before. I have gone to everybody to home. You know my agenda. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now confirmed. Because during their submission, during their presentation, none of them has confirmed or talked about the withdrawal of their candidate. That means we have 5 candidates in the race of the speakership of Kampala State Board. Now we are proceeding with the deputy speakers. But because we're already past time, the deputy speakers, you are going to excuse us. Kindly bear with us. The whole division, all Kampala, all other divisions must elect. And I believe we all stand together. So let's ask the speakers, you are presenting in 2 minutes. Please brief. Kindly, our chair, our mothers, parents, and everyone present. When your turn comes, now we can other divisions. Bear with us, we finish this process. We are now moving on to the deputy speakers. They are 8 in number, meaning they are going to take 16 minutes. If everyone takes 2. We are beginning by the Honorable Councillor by the name of Naka Patile Lady.
People power. Our power. NUP. Everywhere. Nakakande Lilian. Usao. I'm a nurse by profession. I have a diploma in nursing. I'm pursuing a degree in nursing in Uganda University. I'm aspiring for the post of deputy speakership. My points are very few for this bid. As already written down, I've stipulated in the papers. Though we are aspiring, but the struggle still continues. This will not make us end that I'm the deputy speaker of KCCA, and that's the end. Due to the time, the struggle to liberate our Uganda is on, and must continue. And we must wear the different faces until the Ugandans are free from the dictator. So my fellow councillors, we are not ending here. Even though you have a post, or you have a big position, we need the Ugandans are seeing us. They need to see us as we are liberating from dictatorship. Another point, another view is, it's my honor to stand in front of you to ask for your support to my gesture, to lead this struggle using the methodology not understandable by the dictatorship, with an approach embedded in the NUP ideology and master plan. Fronting me as your deputy speaker, I based on my manifesto, composed of 4 main agendas only along the core functions of the speaker, which is intervene and chair meetings to set rules and procedures. Lastly, NUP members, we need to consider the grassroots where really we are developing our NUP party as a NUP party. The grassroots are still low, so as a deputy speaker, I'll engage for all those people so that we can pull our party to the maximum for God and my country. I love you all.
Members, I want to guide, and let's be clear on this. We have allotted each Lord Councillor for deputy speakership 2 minutes. We are against time. You see our brothers and sisters, the honorables who are standing there, are waiting to vote for their divisions. And we have other party activities which are ongoing. Kindly respect the time, otherwise you are going to do what? we don't want to embarrass you. Number 2, for those that are waiting, kindly respect the Lord Councillors so that we finish this exercise and we also handle your respective divisions. Thank you very much.
Procedure, sir. Yeah, the fact that they've been passing through us, telling us their manifestos, they just put us and let it go. Just 1 minute is enough for them.
Yes, we can adhere to the call, to the prayer, but still, 1 minute in presentation is also not disturb. Allow us to manage the process. 2 minutes have already been deducted from what we have given the speakers. The only deputy lines, they're almost the same. Allow them to have them too, but let them respect them too. Let's move on with Mr. Bukenya Bone, maximally 2 minutes.
Buen día para todos. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad to be here in this Wegimaya situation. I want to present my manifesto in 8 minutes. When you vote me as a deputy speaker, I'm going to deal with the welfare of councillors. I'm going to see that we implement the social insurance of the councillors. You got to tell the council that the director is the councillor is the boss of the director of the committee. Yet we councillors, we are not insured. When those directors, they are insured. That is nonsense. I will not allow it as a deputy speaker. I started from St. Martin Mulago Primary School, Piero E, Kawete College School, O-Level, SAS College School of Honorable Latif Semagala A-Level. I went to Makerere University BCom, but when I was in third year, I was doing BCom external. When I was in third year, my father died. My uncle took me to Mozambique. I had to do a certificate in Portuguese language. Then from there, I did a diploma. On Portugal, eu quero você muito obrigado. Dear my fellow councillors, I'm a representable person. I'm a representable deputy speaker. Me, I'm a man of struggle. I'm a foot soldier. In COVID, when I was in Portugal, I sent 500 kilograms to the foot soldiers. I brought maize flour for a minute, 1 minute. I brought that maize flour was given to Delhi City. You can confirm. Thank you very much. And when I'm voted, all offices in my deputy speaker, all position, I'm going to give them to the foot soldiers. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We are proceeding with Honorable Nakato Nusi.
This is General Lucifer Nakato, a battle-tested leader who is not compromised. Wina Muchimani, at least. So allow me to read my short speech. To all members and supporters of NOP, honorable councillors, and well-wishers of democracy, I stand here upon you today to express my sincere appreciation for the effort we have put to bring awareness of bad government brought up by dictator Museveni. Our journey doesn't end here, my dear councillors. We have just walked a few kilometers of our struggle to freedom. Most of our comrades have paid the ultimate
price so that you fellow councillors can be where you are today. The path to freedom is not paved by diamonds and golds, but blood and determination. We should not forget why we are here, my dear councillors. Museveni rigged our votes, and we have a journey to accomplish by reclaiming for our victory, so that Mr. Kyagulanyi sits in his seat. So, my dear councillors, I want to thank you for the spirited fight you put recently when you were swearing in. Please, let's maintain that spirit. We have to use our positions to fight for our dear comrades who are in jails, who were killed by dictator Museveni. This is the only time we have as councillors to the mighty city Kampala to put a spirited fight until Museveni leaves the chair. Thank you so much. This is General News Fanakato. My fellow dear councillors, please, I'm not an easy person to be compromised. Just allow me to be your deputy speaker. I will not be proud. I've stood by storms amidst a lot of monies which have been supplied. But I've stood with you, I've stood with the common people. Please allow me to be your deputy speaker.
Thank you very much. Tewali kintu kyangu n'okukwasisa obudde nakyo si kyangu. Naye mbasaba oli abadde abasabira mwogere eddakiika emu ne tugaana respect. The next person present to us is by the names of Mr. Semakula Muniro.
To the election management committee, I express my deepest gratitude for the privilege of addressing the Honorable Councillor. Standing before you is Semakula Muniro. I am an educationist. I have worked as a lecturer in Bolton College, South Africa. I hold a bachelor's degree in education. I hold a postgraduate degree in human resource. While I'm elected as Deputy Speaker, I pray to preside over a popular, relevant and vibrant council. Never again will a councillor be disrespected in the public. I will make sure that a councillor has access to public health budgets so that you are facilitated to go to the ground and do community work with the public. By doing so, I'll be making you relevant, popular to the populace. People power, our power. We should also keep reminded that we are the world. We are the change we've been preaching all along. So we have to bring those words to life. We are the new Uganda. We are the reflection of the new Uganda we've been preaching to our populace. Let us walk the talk. And while I'm your deputy speaker, I will facilitate that. I'll make sure that you walk the talk. We are the world. With those 4 marks, I humbly request you to support me, to give me your mandate. You will never regret. Together, we can go a distance. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you very much, Mr. Semakula. You are such a good timekeeper. You have delivered your speech in the allocated time. How I wish, then I can't wish. The next speaker is by the names of Honorable Anakitende Mark.
Amasasake oye! Amasasake oye! Mavis oye! Oye oye!
Our power! LUP!
Everywhere!
Amasasake oye! Next time the Mavis is my name. aka Mama Sasaki. Somebody asked me why am I called Mama Sasaki. They said, why do you call yourself Mama Sasaki? I'm not calling myself Mama Sasaki. I was nicknamed Mama Sasaki for the reason I can't explain on media platform. They asked me that, are you bringing Sasaki in the city? I said yes. Because in a city where there is a dictator, there is no way you can doubt a Sasaki. There is a say that where peace fails, violence prevails. Of course, when peace fails, we have to bring in a Sasaki. That's violence. And the dictator cannot understand another language apart from a Sasaki. That is Northern Sudan, Mali, Ghana, everywhere, their countries, even Libya. I believe we don't want to shame our president, Honorable Chavdan Sentamu, sacrifice himself for Ugandans. Please, Mama Sasaki assures you, comrades, good soldiers, there's nothing we can pay you, my dear comrades, apart from a Sasaki that will make you say, go out of Kampala, the whole of Uganda, and we search our blood for the whole of Uganda. I'm requesting you, honorable members, honorable councillors, to help me and entrust me as your deputy speaker at KCCA. Core values of NUP and KCCA are similar. In NUP here, we say that one of the core values we have integrity, loyalty, teamwork, trustworthy. However, these core values in KCCA are not working, they are not effective. But I make sure that these core values in KCCA, they will be effective, like teamwork. Not be snatched and you know very well I'm social, I'm approachable, and I assure you that I'll make sure that we work together. The office of the speaker will be our office, we shall use together. My dear comrades, I assure you that if I fail in these primaries, I will not contest again. I will go behind my fellow comrades that are leading. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mama Sasaki. Everyone school started nicknaming you Jajian Sasaki because so many years I've had that. Anyway.
I think at Church 2. Church 2, Sasaki.
The next speaker to us or to present us is by the names of Kigozi Laws Narumba.
The Election Management Committee, dear honorable councillors, and all the members in the House, I greet you all in the name of the Almighty. I'm Chigozi Rose Narubama, standing in for Deputy Speakership. I'm requesting for this office that you entrust me with the office because of my agenda that I have and I want to follow. And on my agenda, first of all, is service delivery to the Kampala people. Under the service delivery, we have to fight and see to it that things, all problems like garbage, come back to KCCA and garbage collection, these for free of charge. Second on my agenda, we have to fight for our people like the border people. We have to see to it that they work in a fair condition. The market vendors, they are all being disturbed. We have to fight for them because these are our fighters, these are our supporters that we have to work with, that we have to live with because they are always there for us. My Lord Councillors, my fellow members, I plead to you that you entrust me with the office so that we can see that NUP is on top, so that these people don't start on saying that they voted for Miyaga, but they voted for leaders. And I know we can make it as a team. My people, my friends, my colleagues, I plead to you that we have to see and see to it that the problems like property rate, we fight for them because this affects our people. And this dictator is just fighting to see to it that everyone is poor. That's why it's being on keeping our people in prisons and sees that all the youth who are making the world, who are making the country are being put in prison so that they can't fight for their lives and they are being spoiled. So my people, I plead to you and I request you that you entrust me with office. I'm sure sure, and I'm promising you, this office is not mine, it's for you, it's for our people, it's for NUP, and we have to see to it that it's open, it's for us, and we have to fight and see to it that we make NUP proud. Thank you so much. I'm a teacher by profession. I have a bachelor's degree in education. Chigozi Rosemary Bwama, representing Rubaga South B. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chigozi Rose Naruwa. Second last person to present to us is by the name of Masaba.
Nasulu Oye! Nasulu Oye! Nasulu Oye!
People power, NUP, everywhere.
All protocol observed, honorable Lord Councillors. I greet you all in the name of the Lord. Nasuru Masawa is my name. Once again, Lord Councillor representing Rubaga South 4. That is Nadanakumbi 1 and Nadanakumbi 2. I will only pass a few words of encouragement to my fellow honorable councillors. Please, first and foremost, let us not forget the big picture. You see, when you chop off the head of a hen and it still has some life in it, it will try to run, but it is running recklessly, doesn't have a sense of direction. So I need us to re-strategize and focus and remember that we have a goal that we are chasing after. Honorable Councillors, so many of our friends are still in jail. We are still in so much pain. And to be honest, our president has been emphasizing it here. The regime is what we have to take off, and that is our biggest focus. If we don't get that, we are all still prisoners and we shall not go anywhere. I will also encourage my fellow honorable councillors to keep the spirit of the solidarity. I was so amazed when we were swearing in last time, the solidarity we showed. Indeed, it seems that this council is going to be a very vibrant one. And as your Deputy Speaker, my honorable councillors, Kampala will shine, NUP will shine, and we shall all reach the promised land. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Honorable Masaba Nasul, for being such a good presenter that added hairs to the time management. The last person to present to us is by the names of Nakubulwa Rita.
We are the change and change is us. I want you kindly to know that we are the change and change is us. Rita Nakubulwa Mubanda is my name, a teacher by profession, a lecturer to some of the people around here. I represent the informal sector. Informal sector, you're many here, banange mwabali wana ba informal sector. Timchala wa saluni, timchala wa boda, mchimanyi bulungi. Mwe mwandeeta, mwe mwondeese. Sijjafukamyawo beebaza. Naye mukimanyi, nzize bakiikirira, mwe mwandeese. Temugenda kulonda, naye mugenga abantu bano. Balonda omuntu abamanyi. Gankomya okubanonda, the councillors, I've come to represent you. I'm the voice of the voiceless. Many of you are here. You might hear to speak, but you know somebody who is ready to speak for you. Who is your voice? Somebody who has been oppressed. Somebody who has grown up in the slums, a slum dweller, somebody in the city. I was raised in Kampala Central. I grew up in Kasubi. I've been to the schools around. I went to Twins Edge Nursery School, the current new park. It's Moniwadi John Matikau Park. I went to Nakaso Primary School for my primary. I went to Bengo SS, and then I went to Makerere University for education. I went to Makerere University for education. Now after there, I went for my master's, and for the master's, I did management, leadership. So I'm the right person. You all know teachers make the best leaders. Now what really stops you from voting? Somebody who is going to represent you. Somebody with the eye that will see the wrong.
londa eriisa erigenda olaba ekikyamu kitereere, londa eddoboozi erigenda okukola. Don't mind about my size. We are not going to fight from there. We are going to use the brain. We need money as councillors. We are going to get salary, you know that. But I've come in for the welfare of the common person. Because I'm a common person. I'm that person. And you all know candidates here that you were voted by the common person. If you were voted by the common person, then you vote the common person. And that is none other than Rita Nakubura Mubanda. As they welfare, your councillor, as they kukolera sabo, as they kutera insurance, nawo ovumbe muko. Banaye munonde nsobola. Banange sijja baswa Rita Nakubura Mubanda, omwana ow'empisa, omwana ali flexible, omwana alina emikwano, kwa mwenda mu mikwano gyange. Banange mwebale ddala. Temanyi lwakikadde dda.
Wonderful. Gentlemen, as election management committee, the only vetting that we have done is to confirm the candidates in the race. The only vetting that we have done was only one. We had requested the presenters, the speakers, the deputy speakers to refer themselves to the KCC Act, the rules and procedures that give them powers as speakers and deputy speakers to present to the candidates and to the voters. I hope they have done so. After that session, we are now set to go in the voting session.
Yes, abalabi ba Ghetto TV banirizaako baganda bange muli mutya mujje baliko jona gye mutuusaako engalamanya Buganda Ronald Mugenyi muzzukulu wa Nakere Bukerekere mubalasirya mamba naye amazzi nnaku leero tuli wano eno olunaku tuli ku kitebe ekya National Unity Platform. Abakansala ba KCCA bwe bagenda okulondera speaker waabwe ne deputy n'abeerubaga bagenda kulonda leero speaker ne deputy ab'enakawa bwe batyo Kawempe bwe batyo ne Makindye nabo bwe batyo n'emuliro mungi guli wakati wa KCCA guli ku KCCA wano okulaba speaker gwe bagenda okulonda speaker abamu ku bo kwe kuli omukulu oyo aliraanye Nusifa Nakato bamuyita Kim Kiza, kuliko Innocent Gusuula watali mwavu mutwe gwe mwavu, kuliko Jeremiah kuliko Zahara Luyurika, bali batano bonna okutwalizibwa bamaze okwogerako eri abalonzi saawa ya kulonda ani atwala ekifo ky'obwa sipiika wa KCCA olunaku olwaleero. Tuvaawo nga bategedde ani agenda okuvuganya ng'akozesa kaadi ya National Unity Platform. Abalonda be baani? Oyinza okumbuuza abalonda be baani? Abalonda be ba Lord Councillors.
So that is to guide you through. Ladies and gentlemen, we are expecting 41 votes, and that's the reason why we are giving out 41 ballot papers. Alright? Hope the councillors are 41,
omukulembeze w'ekkomi Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu abakomereza era n'abategeeza nti nategedde waliwo abagaba ssente, waliwo abatambula nga bawa ssente, naye mbasaba temugendera ku ssente, temubifaako, banange ebintu bivumirira. Bw'atyo Kyagulanyi Ssentamu bw'ategeezezza egyo mize mibi nnyo temugikola, era oli waba yabateeseza muzirye naye temumuwa akalulu. Kyekyo ensonga kyayogeddeko pulezidenti w'ekkomi Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Sawa ya kulonda kugambye ba speaker abaigwaniza ekifo kya KCCA obwa speaker mulimu Tegusura Innocent, Zahara Luyurika, Jeremiah Kaya Mwanje, Kiza Akim Saula, Sebufu John Mary, abo bonna bavuganya kifo bali abantu batano. Ate kya deputy speaker kuliko abantu 8, kuliko Nusifa Nakato, kuliko Bone, kuliko Semakula Mune, kuliko Nakitende Mavis, oye Mama Sasage, kuliko Nalupwama, Naluma Rose, Chigozi, na Yekwali, kuliko Masaba, Nasuru, na Yekwali, abono ba Deputy Speaker, kuliko Nakubulwa, Rita, na Yekwali, Nelilian. Sawa ya kulonda Kizakim ne Innocent Gusula bayimiridde sawa ya kulonda batandise okulonda Kavuma wefuge mzee Innocent Gusula bwatyo naye agenze okulonda bamuwadde akalulu ke sawa ya kusula kalulu sawa ya kusula kalulu
Honorable Lord Councillor, they've told you the order. The candidates are going to vote first. And since they are stakeholders,
Innocent Gusula ali mukulonda kutandise muganda wange
to observe the exercise. We are going to request those with cameras for purposes of secrecy. We are going to step a little backwards.
No one.
We don't expect people to sit here. Members, can you vacate that area?
Yes, you know,
this is a separate ballot.
We
run a very transparent process.
Zahara Luyirika naye bamuwadde akalulu ke bwe agenda kulonda. Zahara Luyirika akalulu ka box ka kyama.
After the candidates have voted,
bagambye bakansala bali ana mu mwenda bagenda okulonda. Bano bonna bakansala bagenda kulonda olwaleero.
You come here, register, pick a ballot paper for the speaker and proceed them to the next desk and pick the last ballot for the deputy speaker.
Tuli mu primaries oba kyenzo okuyita akamyufu akaani agenda okukwata kaadi ya National Unity Platform okwesimbawo kuwa speaker ne deputy speaker wa KCCA.
To be seen on camera on who they are voting. So let us respect that privacy and have a secret ballot.
Jeremiah Kaya naye wuyo ali mu kusuula kalulu ke. Jeremiah Kaya Mwaje naye wuyo ali mu kulonda. Jeremiah Kaya Mwaje naye alonda. N'ekiza Hakim naye amaliriza ali ku meeza naye alonda. Franka Munange webale nnyo obubaka mbulabye nagumyedda message zammwe zangumyadda ensonga lwaki nakomyewo dda ku mulimu okola mune mukama bw'ati bwe yasalawo tulina okugenda mu maaso nateera okuweereza eggwanga. Kizakimu ali mu kulonda yoyo gw'olabaawo ali mu kusuula kalulu ke naye. Franka Jai, send greetings to you my brother.
Deputy speakers, kindly join the queue. Deputy speakers in that order, as they appear on our board, kindly come and vote.
Yes, basoose bakandidate be basoose okweronda kati ba deputy speaker be bali mu kweronda essaawa zino be bali mu kweronda.
Deputy speakers kindly queue up for voting.
Yes, Javia Kalungi. Javia Kalungi nkutumiddeko Desje nkutumiddeko. Webale kubeera nga ku Ghetto TV na kutwagala nateera. Mwebale nnyo mwenna abali ku Ghetto TV. Frank Ajja abantu ba wano temuba na katengo. Akayimba nkakuweereza Frank Ajja na Faiso Katongole. Fazel Katongole agambe if Nesfa wins I will undress myself in protesting. Masaba Faustine nkutumiddeko nnyo Masaba tukyawa nnyo naawe. Nkutumiddeko Museveni Swaitani ono yeeyita Museveni Swaitani webale Magi Kimagi nkutumiddeko Kimagi nkutumiddeko Zawede Elina nkutumiddeko Vicky Keys nkutumiddeko Lobziru Chamuzi nkutumiddeko ate sawa yonna okuva kati tujja kuba tumanya ani leader of opposition. Jenny Namutwe nawe nkutumiddeko Raymond nkutumiddeko waliwo abantu benda babayomba ne Freddy Enanga ono agambye Buganda ona try to reach on me. Oh Freddy Enanga ndaba wane namba ya Freddy Enanga ndaba erinnya Freddy Enanga bambi oba bani abazanyisa erinnya lye muvuma omusajja wabanga ye mutuufu nga yali mu comment eyo alabye bambi kuba envuma gye mumuvumamu. Fred Enanga naawe nkutumiddeko manyisi ye gooli naye wonooba oli naawe nkutumiddeko tukwagala kubanga naawe amazima ogamanyi. Raymond Amon KU nkutumiddeko Nabuuma ku Rufumu nkutumiddeko nyo webale kubeera ku Ghetto TV. Tuli mu kulonda speaker wa KCCA agenda okuwatira NUP flaga okwesimbawo nga speaker wa KCCA. Njagala okutegeeza nti olufuna kana akalulu diri obumaze Love Stera bambi nkutumiddeko Nanyanzi Majorina send greetings to you. Ron come and rescue me from Freddy Enanga. Keimagi agambe Kalyango Beka Mariam Petra nkutumiddeko Madina Hajara nawe nkutumiddeko Keimagi mama Nsasage ngalina mutami sikitegedde ekyo sikitegedde Vicky Keys nkutumidde Lubwama Sylvia Wabudye nkutumiddeko nyo bali kubeera nga ku Ghetto TV. Sawa ya kulonda abantu bali mu kuba kalulu kabe bakansala abalodi councillors. James Mubiru taliwo teyasobola kwetaba mu kalulu kano naye nga yali yeegwanisa ekifo kya deputy speaker naye munange teyasobola bwatyo n'abanga munange omukisa gumusubye bwatyo n'abanga omukisa gumusubye naye nga tukyagenda maaso mugana wange okuweereza ani anaabawangudde akalulu kano. Deputy speaker ne speaker wa KCCA bamakulu nnyo tubeetaaga nnyo naddala mu kibuga Kampala. Tubeetaaga babe nga ba National Unity Protocol nkutumiddeko Kirabo Martha gyebaleko Kirabo Martha nkutumiddeko Kirabo Martha ngambye eyo fake account. Rose Birungi Madina Hajara Nanyanzi Majorin webale kubeerayo Nanyanzi Majorin mulungi Carlo Bob nawe nkutumiddeko nnyo Joan Kigozi Senduge nkutumiddeko Ellen Etho Namakula nawe nkutumiddeko Daisy J nkutumiddeko nnyo webale nnyo kubeerayo Nsubuga mwana we Mamba Joseph nkutumiddeko Nanyanzi Majorin webale kubeerayo Nsubuga ono ani Nsubuga Amina mwana we Mamba nkutumiddeko nnyo Nakai Anet nawe nkutumiddeko Ellen Nakyanja nkutumiddeko Stella Love Stella okubidde Nesfa campaign vote Nesfa Nakato for deputy speaker on bamwita Berry Rengi Vicky nawe Vicky nakutumidde dda. Tulirida watuli kamocha ku kitebe kya National Unity Platform balodi councillor nga wo balaba bano bali mu kulonda speaker waabwe ne deputy speaker abesimbyewo ngabo balaba maasawo kuliko omukulu Innocent Busula kuliko Sebufa yambadde baleti kuliko Akim Kiza golabaawo kuliko Zahara Yurika n'omukulu Kaya Jeremiah wetuyimiridde awo bebegwaniza ekifo ky'obwa speaker baganda bange.
Lord Councillor Namukwaya Helen, Lord Councillor Kwagala Angel, come and vote. Lord Councillor Namukwaya Helen,
Wakiku Cosmas Rastaman Ebulange nkutumiddeko nnyo Ben Adams Uganda. I hate the word opposition. Oh sorry. Vicky Onani OMG I love my Buganda Ronald Mugenyi Jovia Kalungi nange munaye nkwagala nnyo bali kubeerayo. Waswa Dens agambye ntuse nange kapyachi munange Waswa Dens tuli mu kulonda speaker wa KCCS akone deputy speaker olunaku olwaliro ng'ono agenda kuba akwatira NUP flag eri gye bagenda okuvuganyiza naye nga kasito wangula guno oba shuwa diiru nti oyiseemu butereevu kubanga aba National Platform be basingayo obungi. Yewe tuli awo muganda wange Pam Kawa Kayaga agambye twagwamu amaanyi munanga basajja balwana emyaka 6 tulwanye mwaka gumu ate ne tufuna ebitundu 9 ku buli 10 n'ogwamu amaanyi. Olutalo terunaggwa tuliyambala engule ng'olutalo luwedde so si ng'okulonda kuwedde so muganda wange nakubizizza ebibuuzo byange tewazeemu bambi sitegedde neyambozza ebibuuzo nesiddamu addamu bisindike Ronald Guma omnenda Guma mwebale nnyo mwebale doozi birungi webale kubaayo Aisha Nakwanga webale kubeera ku Ghetto TV nkwagala nnyo munange webale kubeera ku Ghetto TV Aisha Nakwanga mwebale kutwagala naffe twewaayo okubaweereza ate era nga tukyabaweereza tuli ku National Platform okulonda deputy speaker saako ne speaker wa KCCA ekifo ekyo kyamaanyi nnyo twetaaga omuntu anaasobola okwatagana ne lukwago mu bintu eby'amazima n'obwenkanya ate era twetaaga omuntu anaasobola okwawukana ne lukwago mu bintu ebirimu obukumpanya n'okunyigiriza omuntu wa bulijjo yani Yetegusulwa Innocent Zahara Yurika Jeremiah Kaya Chizaake Musaula oba Sebufu John Mary n'olwensonga eyo bakansala bebamanyi omutuufu bebamanyi omutuufu ani gugenda okulonda Ghetto TV wetuli okuweereza okulonda kuno konna Rashida Namubiru ow'Emmamba Longwe Rabshana thanks Muganda webale nnyo Kiwanuka Fred Nusfa Deputy Speaker webale nnyo obubaka mbufunye Vicky Case nawe obubaka mbufunye Nansejjo Buganda webale kuweereza naye webale munaye kwagala Ghetto TV omulungi Kalo Bubuzi kyezo Rose birungi agambye DJ tuwumuzeeko Joy Mase ono Mariam Patra webale nnyo Yusuf Kyagulanyi nkutumiddeko nnyo muganda wange webale nnyo okubeerayo webale kwagala Ghetto TV.
Lord Councillor Twaha Abdul Chagason.
Yes, kankutwaleko mu press conference munda nateera baganda bange kankutwaleko mu press conference munda nkuweereze nayo ebifaayo.
Jinja City Woman Member of Parliament. The Honorable Sakil Francis Butevi. Chairperson Public Accounts Committee, the Honorable Midan Luega Sekona, Siro East. Vice Chairperson Public Accounts Committee, the Honorable Asman Basailwa, Ujiri Municipality. Chairperson Kosasen, the Honorable Joel Besekezi Senyani, Member of Parliament Nakawa West. Vice Chairperson Kosase, the Honorable Lucy Akelo, Amolo District Woman MP. Chairperson Government Assurances Committee, the Honorable Betty Namboze Wachileke, Mukono Municipality. Vice Chairperson of the Government Assurances Committee, the Honorable Joseph Seungu Gonzaga, Member of Parliament, Kalungu County West. The Chairperson Local Government Accounts Committee, the Honorable Ojala Martin Mapeluzi, Badek Laibi constituency in Gulu District. Vice Chairperson Local Government Accounts Committee, the Honorable Paulson Lutamaguzi Semakula, Member of Parliament for Nakaseke South County. whole nation already knows our approved representative to the Pan-African Parliament, but for avoidance of doubt, Member of Parliament for Kassanda County North. Our representative in the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association is the Honorable David Karwanga Luchamuzi for Busuju County. Our representative in the Interparliamentary Union, IPU, Honorable Flavia Karuena Wagabe. She's a Kassanda District Woman MP. And finally, our representative on the Parliamentary Pension Fund, Honorable Hajat Aisha Kavanda, Utambala District Woman MP. The party has today also seconded and approved Honorable Joel Musha, the NUP Deputy President for Western Region, to the National Consultative Forum to be its Deputy Chairperson. So this is the leadership that has been so far constituted. We are going to be constituting the other leadership positions, including the Shadow Cabinet and others. We congratulate those leaders who have been seconded by the party through its structures, and wish them all the best. And continue to say that we want to use these positions, most importantly, to advance the struggle for freedom and democracy in this, our country. God bless you. Ekibiina kya National Unity Platform kirina obuvunaanyizibwa okulonda abakulembeze mu mitendera egy'enjawulo abanatukiikirira mu bifo ebyenjawulo mu palamenti eyo. Ffe tunulidde palamenti nga front oba ate ng'ekintu ekyomugaso ennyo oba ekyekizo mu lutabaalo luno lwe tuliko olw'okugyako nakyemalira. N'olwekyo ekibiina nga bwe kize kigulira eggwanga bijja kutwala buli kifo kyonna kyonna amateeka ge kituwa okulaba nti olutalo lwaffe lugenda mu maaso. N'olwekyo NUP eronze bano abantu wammanga bengenda okusoma okubeera abakulembeze ku mitendera egy'enjawulo, naye nga tulina ebifo ebimu bye tutanalonda nga Shadow Cabinet oba Cabinet ebe echeckinga government yamusibira mu ggwanga bwe tubadde mwogerako. Agenda kukulira oludda lwaffe lwe tuyise minority. Ffe tetukkiriza nti tuli mu opposition kubanga gavumenti twawangula akalulu ne batukuba bubbi, naye ate twagala bino ebifo tubitwale tubikozese okulwana. Anakulira oludda olwo ye Honorable Mathias Mpuga, member wa Parliament owa Nyendo Mukungwe ye Masaka. Opposition Chief Whip waffe oba Nampala wa saidi yaffe ye Honorable Nambeshe John Baptist, oyo ng'akiikirira Manji ya County e Bududa. Amumyuka ye Honorable Chewakutika Manjeri, oyo nga mukyala akiikirira Jinja City Parliament. Commissioner wa Parliament oba Kamisona ye Honorable Zake Francis Mutebi, oyo akiikirira Mityana Municipality Parliament. Agenda kukulembera akakiiko akalondoola embalirira za gavumenti oba kayite Public Accounts Committee ye Honorable Medard Lubega Segona, oyo ng'akiikirira Busiro East mu Parliament. Oyo agenda mumyuka ye Honorable Asman Basalirwa, ng'oyo akiikirira Bugiri Municipality Parliament. Waliwo akakiiko akalala ke bayita Kosase mwe namukamanyi nga kalondoola embalirira y'ebitongole bya gavumenti. Honorable Joel Senyonyi Besekezi agenda okukakulembera, oyo nga mubaka wa Parliament ow'Enakawa West. Oyo agenda mumyuka we agenda kubeera Honorable Lucy Akero, oyo wa Amuru District akiikirira abakyala abeeyo. Agenda kulira akakiiko aka Government Assurances oba akalondoola ebisuubizo bya gavumenti ye Honorable Nambuze Betty Bakireke, oyo akiikirira Mukono Municipality mu Parliament. Amyukibwe Honorable Joseph Sewungu Gozaga ow'e Kalungu West Parliament. akakiiko ka local governments oba akabalirira gavumenti ez'ebitundu agenda kubeera Honorable Ojala Martin Mapenduzi ng'oyo akiikirira Badegla IB constituency eyo Ngulu district. Agenda kumyukibwa Honorable Paulson Lutambakuzi Semakula ng'oyo Yowena Kaseke South constituency. Nga eggwanga lyabwe likimanyi twalina okulonda olutanda tukiikirira palamenti ya Africa yonna. Era oyo twalonda Patrick Nsamba Oshabe Honorable ng'oyo akiikirira Kasanda County North Parliament. Waliwo palamenti endala gye bayita Commonwealth Parliamentary Association eyo no nga Honorable David Kalwanga Lushamuzi ow'Ebusujju yagenda okukiikirira. Etubeerayo ne Interparliamentary Union ne tusaba mukyala Honorable Flavia Kalwena Bagabe ow'e Kasanda tukiikirira. Finally waliwo mu palamenti akakiiko akalondoola pension z'ababaka n'ebirala bakayita Parliamentary Pension Fund nga Honorable Aisha Kabanda Ajat yagenda okukiikirira ng'oyo ye mubaka wa Butambala district omukyala. NUP era yakakasiza Honorable Joel Mugisha ng'ono ye Deputy President wa NUP mu Western Region okugenda mu kitongole kye bayita National Consultative Forum ekireeta ebibiina byonna awamu okutukiikirira eyo, era agenda kubeera Deputy Chairperson w'akakiiko ako. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala.
Yes, lead of minority, lead of opposition, lead of minority, ye Mpuuga Mathias. Yes, leader of minority. Leader of minority ye Mathias Mpuuga bamaze okumulangirira bazaake bonna bafunye ebifo. Tugenda kuba tukuwa list eyo yonna nga bweri, naye nga leader of minority tumaze okumulonda muganda wange. Leader of minority, not leader of opposition, bo tebali mu opposition. Yakulira ekiwayo ekinene. Ekiwayo ekinene ekyawangula, so bwekito bwekiri muganda wange akakuba katonya naye nga bamaze okulangirira. Beti Namboze bakireke ow'emikono naye alondeddwa olunaku olwaleero, naye alina ekifo kyafunye. Waliwo gye batalangiridde ye shadow government bagenda kuba bagirangirira olunaku bagenda kuba bagirangirira. N'ensonga zikiriza nkusibule ngenda kukomezawo okubala okululu nga butuuse okumanya ani speaker omutuufu weeraba manya Buganda Ronald Mugenyi. Lekako notification omanyani speaker gwe balonze, naye nga leader of opposition oba leader bo bakiganyi bagensiba opposition. Leader of minority munange yani ye Mpuuga Mweraba.
Papa.